In this video, we're going to teach you how you can view your orders directly into your TikTok shop. So if you're a seller and you want to see the orders that has been made into your TikTok shop products, what you can do is you can head over right here into your TikTok shop seller center on your browser, and from in there you can find your left sidebar. Once you're in here, head over and click onto this orders option. Now click onto this manage orders. From in there, you can see all of the orders that has been made to your products. So you can see their order status as well, their shipping methods, order itself, who ordered it, who is the customer, delivery options, and the like. You can also see right here actions needed, such as those are needed that this be shipped today, auto canceling, shipping overdue, cancellation, and logistics issues. You can see everything like the shipped, completed, pending, cancelled, and failed delivery orders. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.